Hi everyone, today I will show you how to add landing page in WordPress. So let's just begin. Alright, so adding the landing page is really easy. What we need to do, first we need to go inside the plugins and click on the add new plugin. And here we have to search for Elementor. Alright, so you can see this, the Elementor is already installed. We can update this if you wanted to, but this is already installed and activated. After that, what we need to do, we have to search for starter templates. Alright, so as you can see here, we have the starter template here, but that is also installed and activated. Okay, so after this, one thing that we have to make sure is that we have to go inside the appearance and click on the themes. And here you have to select the Astro theme. So I have already selected the Astro theme, but if you haven't installed the Astro theme, you will need to go inside the new theme. And here you would need to search for Astro theme. Alright, so from here, you will simply install this. Okay. So now what we need to do, we have to go inside the starter templates. So let's click on it. And here you have to click on build with templates. And now you will be able to see a lot of the different templates. And they are great looking templates that you can see here. You can simply select any template from here and then you can simply import this on your website. Alright. But there are some templates that would have this premium label on it. So that simply means that you need to have the paid version of starter templates, but we can go here with the free version right now. All right, so how can we import the template? That is really easy. You just have to select on the template anyone that you like, then you have to select this. All right, so here you can see this, we have this beautiful looking template. So if you wanted to add the logo of your own website, you can simply select this from here. So let's click here, and from here I can simply select my own logo from here. Okay, so from here, I can simply select my own logo from here. And if I don't have the logo in my media library, what I can do, I can also upload this from the upload files from my computer. All right. So now let's just go back because I wanted to keep the logo that we have right now. Okay. So after this, we have this font pair. So if you wanted to change this font pair, you can also play around with these values that we have right now. And after this, we have the color palette. So if you just wanted to change the color palette, so let's click here and you will be able to see the different styles here. So if you wanted to select anyone from here, you can simply do this. So let's go here with this one. And now you will be able to see the change here. All right. So now let's just click on continue. Click on skip and continue, submit, and it will start building our website here. All right. So our website is ready. So now let's just click on view your website and you will be able to see our plugin that we have installed. And now this is looking really great. Okay. And now if you want to edit this or customize this, you can simply do this. What we need to do, we just have to click on edit with Elementor. And now we will be redirected to the Elementor editor. Alright, so now in the Elementor editor, I can simply customize anything that we have on the template. So if I just wanted to edit this text, I can simply edit this text from here. You can see here, I can change the styling of it from here. And I can change the content of it. And we can also explore the advanced settings. And similarly, if I just click on the button, you will be able to see I can change the text of the button. I can add the link on it. I can also add the icon on it. And I can also change the type of the button. So in the type of the button, we have the different types. We have the info, success, warning, and danger. Similarly, I can also change the styling of it. All right. So you can see this in the button. We have the typography. We have the border radius. And you can also see the other options here. Alright, so now if I just wanted to customize this container, I'll just simply click on here. And from here, I will be able to customize my container. Okay. So if I wanted to change the style, I can also do this from here. If I wanted to change the background image, I can also do this. So in the background image, I can also add the gradient. I can also add the video and I can also add the slideshow. But right now, I'll just simply go here with this value. So now let's just click on image. And if I wanted to change the image, I can simply change the image from here. Okay. All right. So now let's change the image from here. So I think I would go here with this one. So let's click on select. And now you'll be able to see that we are having the different background image. So this is how we can change the background image as well. And after this, we have this images. If I wanted to change the image here, I can do this in the same way. I can change the heading here. I can change the text here. So this is how you can do the customization. All right. So I think this is looking okay now. And if you wanted to add the new section, you can simply do this from here. You need to click on the add here. And from here, you will need to go into the flex box. And from here, you can see this, we have the different structure. So you wanted to go here with a 2-column structure, 4-column structure, or any other layout here. Okay. So right now I would go here with a single column structure. And this is how I can add the container. So how can I add the elements into it? That would be really easy. I will need to go back, and here I can simply select, or I can simply drag the element into my new container. So this is how it is going to work, and this is how we can customize our landing page as well. So now let's click on update. Now let's click on preview changes. You will be able to see our landing page again, and this is how we can add the landing page in the WordPress. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.